Welcome back. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. So today in this video you're going to learn the difference between input device and output device. In our day-to-day life जब हमें किसी दो चीज के बीच में अंतर पता चलता है, डिफरेंस पता चलता है, the things are more clear to us. The topic and related to that field informations are clear to us. So in this video we are going to learn about input device and output device difference. So let's start with the first definition of input device and output device. Now we are going to learn difference between input device and output device. So let's begin with input device. Input device is a piece of hardware. Now what are hardware? Hardware are those devices of computer which we can touch. Okay? So input device is a piece of hardware used to provide data to a computer used for intersection and control. It allows input of raw data to the computer for processing. So basically input device are those devices which help us to give instruction to the computer, which help us to share our problem or some instruction data to the computer, right? So example of input device are keyboard and mouse. Like we use keyboard to type and give instruction to computer. So same way we use mouse to point any data in a computer system. Now next is output device. Output device, the peripheral devices which are used to show the entered data or processed information by the computer system are called output device, right? So output device are those devices which help us to see the data, okay, to get the data from the computer system. Now what are output device examples? Like monitor, printer, etc. If you give some command with the help of keyboard, that is called input, and after that it processes inside the CPU, it processes inside the brain of the computer, and after processed data is shown on monitor, right? The data is shown on the monitor screen, so that is called output, right? So these devices complete the computer system. The working of these devices may complete computer system and help us to work in easy manners, right? So let's start with the second point. Second difference between input device and output device is input device accept data from user, right? So I'm not having a bad diagram. You can see here, this is a user. Like users are we, who is using computer system, who is giving instruction and data to computer. Now user is providing instruction to computer system, right? You can see users have given his problem, that is 100 plus 100. Okay, so input device accept data from user. So user is giving data to computer system, and these are computer system, and this is input device. Keyboard and mouse is a input device, and these devices, with the help of these devices, you are giving instruction to computer system, right? So the input device accept data from user. It accept data को वो accept करता है. Now what about output device? Output device reflect or show processed data to the user. Now here you can see input device help us to give data to computer system. Now here output device help us to reflect or to get the result from the computer system. Now here user has given problem 100 plus 100 with the help of processing device. You all know what is processing device? CPU. CPU process the data, CPU process the raw information, and after that given 200. Now what is 200? 200 is a output, 200 is a result. Now where this 200 got? I mean instruction we got from input device. Now output we will get in in output device, that is monitor, and this is CPU. CPU is what? CPU is a processing device. CPU is a brain of a computer. Now the first is input device accept the data from users, and from output device reflect the processed data. Processed data means जो आपने data computer को provide करवाया है, that data solved inside the processing device and given back your answer. So that answer is called processed data to user. Okay. Now the second difference is it is directly commanded by the user. As you have already seen just now, how user provide data or instruction to computer system for processed. Now the second output difference is it is commanded by the processor. You can see here it is directly commanded by the user. So whatever the instruction you are giving, first it will go through input device, like you are giving with the help of keyboard, with the help of mouse. So these are input device. Instruction you are providing, it will go through it, and afterward when it will processed, it will processed by CPU, okay, that is CPU, which is the brain of computer. It is commanded by processor. After processing that raw information, raw data, it will go to processed data will go to output device. Right? Suppose you have given example 2 plus 2 with the help of input devices, and afterward it processed inside the CPU. Okay, process means solving your problem. Here CPU is solving your data, that is 2 plus 2, whatever instruction you have given, to add, to sum 2 and 2. And after that, completing that problem, solving that problem, that processing device will give that answer to output device, right? So here output device help us to get processed data from CPU, from processing device. Now let's move further. The third is it converts user friendly instruction to machine friendly. Now what is user friendly and machine friendly? You all know computer is not able to understand what we are speaking, what instruction we are giving. So computer is having some different word, some different language. So instruction which is provided by user, computer first convert it. So for converting our language in machine friendly language, input device help us. Okay, so we are writing Ram is a good boy. So computer don't know about Ram, computer don't know what is good. So input device convert it is machine language, computer language, right? So this way computer converts, input device converts user friendly instruction into machine friendly. Now about output, it convert machine instruction to user intelligible. Means here input device help computer to know, to understand user's problem. Now again here output device will convert instruction or result in a user's language. Okay, in a user's language, output device again convert computer language or machine language in a user language to understand the output. right? Getting my point? Here, यहाँ पे आपने देखा, आपने जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था वो कंप्यूटर को समझ में नहीं आता है, कंप्यूटर उसको अपने लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करता है। उसके बाद जब डेटा हमारा प्रोसेस हो जाता है, प्रोसेस होने के बाद यहाँ पे आउटपुट डिवाइस क्या करता है, उसको अपने लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करके, यहाँ पे इनपुट ने अपने मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट किया, आउटपुट डिवाइस हमें हमारे ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करके हमें आंसर रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ द फोर्थ डिफरेंस बिटवीन इनपुट डिवाइस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस is it takes data from the user and send it to the processor for execution. Now what is execution? As you know, user provide data to input device and input device also share that data, forward that data to the CPU for processing, right? Now about output device, it take the processed data from the processor and send it back to the user. Here input device has given instruction to processor and processor will process the data, and after processing that processor will send that data to output device. Okay, so this is whole the process how computer work. Next is it help the computer is accepting the data. Input device help to computer system to accept the data from the user. And next is it help the computer is displaying the data. Means here input device accept data. After that accepting that data, processor process the data. After processing, that processor send it, forwarded that data to output device, and here output device display the data, display the result. All right. Input device. The design of input device are more complex. Means more complex means designing of that devices are more complicated. So why it is complex? Because it converts human language into machine language, whereas output device, the designing of output device are less complex in comparison to input device. Now let's start. Now let's see examples of input device and output device. Keyboard, scanner, microphone, mouse, tablet and joysticks. These are the examples of input device. Whereas monitor, printer, plotter, projector and speakers are the examples of output device. I hope you understand all the points clearly. So that's all for today.